guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your text look more interesting on CapCut PC. So this is a very beginner friendly tutorial. Go to text and add in your default text. You can't currently see it because it's in a white color, and I'm just going to type in the word sports. I want, for instance, to have the same color as the background image, so go to color and select the color picker to select that violet purple kind of color. Also going to try to find a font here that I want to kind of use, maybe this sketch zone one. Here you can scroll down, adjust the size, you can rotate it and stuff like that. You can also adjust the opacity. You can even add in an outline, but it just looks weird. You can even add in a background. You can add in a glow as well here, but again it looks a little bit not great with the font. And you can also add in a shadow here. You can adjust the opacity and the blurriness of the shadow. You can also adjust the distance here. I might add just the slightest bit of shadow. You can even curve your text right here, and then you can even animate it. You have an in animation, an out animation, and a loop animation as well. And that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!